Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with problems related to arithmetic. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, we have the question: the third term of an AP is 4x minus 2y, and the ninth term is 10x minus 8y. The question says we should find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. So, how do we get into finding the common difference? Let's see. Solution. So, the third term, remember nth term. So, the third term is equal to 4x minus 2y, and the ninth term is equal to 10x minus 8y. So how do I get the common difference between the ninth term and the third term? Supposing we have something close, I would have just said fourth term minus third term, and maybe ninth term minus eighth term, but we have two unknown in that manner. Therefore, all we need to do is to equate it to what the formula is supposed to be originally from arithmetic progression. So the third term should be third term is a plus, open bracket, 3 minus 1, close bracket, common difference, and that becomes a plus 3 times 1 is 2, that's 2d. So a plus 2d, which is the third term, now is giving us 4x minus 2y. Let's take that as equation 1. Now, what about the ninth term? The ninth term, which is supposed to be a plus 9 minus 1, close bracket, d, is now a. So it's now a plus 9 minus 1 is 8, right? 8d. So a plus 8d is giving us 10x minus 8y. So let's take that as equation 2. So what do we do? Okay, we have d, we have a. We can eliminate this a. So let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Let me write that. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So for the sake of clarity, let's write equation 2 first. Equation 2 says a plus 8d is equals to 10x minus 8y. So a plus 8d is equals to 10x minus 8y. 10x minus 8y. Now, minus the first one that says a plus 2d is equal to 4x minus 2y. 4x minus 2y. So when we subtract, what do we have? A minus a is 0. 8d minus 2d is 6d, equals to 10x minus 4x, that's 6x minus 8y minus 8y minus this minus, then minus. So minus times minus will give me plus, right? So minus 8y plus 2y, that will be minus 6y. Minus 6y. So this is what we have left when equation 1 is subtracted from equation 2. So I can now tell that 6d is equals to 6, let's factorize, x minus y, right? Because when I open this bracket, I'll definitely have 6 times y minus 6 times x minus 6 times y, right? So now that I have 6d is equals to 6 open bracket x minus y. So, and I'm looking for d. Anything that is related to d should be eliminated. So I have 6. So what I'll do is to divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So 6 divides this. So I'm left with the common difference d equals to 6 cancel 6 here too. I think, yes. So we are left with x minus y. So the common difference is equals to x minus y. Whatever the value of x minus y is, we are less concerned. For the options, this is a wide pass question, 2000. So we just find the common difference is equals to x minus y, and that is our final answer for that. Let's take another example. Example number 2, that is related to arithmetic progression. Example number 2. Now, example number 2 says that the sum, okay, it says the fifth term of an AP is 24. AP is 24. And the 11th term is 96. And the 11th term is 96. So the question says find the fourth term. Find the fourth term. You can see the wonder mathematics can do. How can you be told the fifth term of a progression and the 11th term, and you'll be asked to find the fourth term? Definitely, if you don't have the idea of AP, you might be left confused of what to do. But with AP, we can definitely find out. So let's get into the solution. The fifth term of an AP is 24 and the 11th term is 96. So let's get into that. The fifth term is equal to 24, of which we know that the fifth term should be a plus open bracket 5 minus 1 close bracket, the common difference. So that tells that 24 is equal to a plus 4d. Very good. So let's take that as our equation 1 here. And an 11th term, the question says is equal to 96. And for I know that this 11th term should be a plus open bracket 11 minus 1 close bracket, the common difference. So a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 multiplied by d, then I have 10d. So that tells that 96 is equal to a plus 10d. Let's take that as equation 2. So what can we do now? Let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So that says 96 equals to a plus 10d is equation 2. So minus equation 1 that says 24 equal to a plus 4d. So let us write it here. So when I subtract 96 minus 24, yes, that is 72. 72. So that is 72 equal to a minus a. A minus a is 0. So I'm left with 10d minus 4d, and that is 6d. 10d minus 4d is 6d. So I'm left 72 equals to 6d. 72 equals to 6d. So divide through by 6. Divide through by 6. 6 cancels 6. The common difference d is equals to 72 divided by 6, and that is 12, right? So that is 12. So remember, the question is asking us for the first term and not the what? And not the common difference. So we have not gotten to our final answer. So we can pick any of the term. Let's say we pick the 11th term. So remember that 11th term is equal to 96. Remember that the 11th term is equal to 96, of which we know is a plus open bracket 11 minus what? 1 close bracket, the common difference. So 96 is equal to a, the first term we don't know and we are looking for, plus open bracket 10 minus 11 minus 1 is 10 close bracket d. So 96 is equals to a plus 10 multiplied by the common difference we got is 12. So that becomes 96 equals to a plus 10 multiplied by 12 is 120. So make a the subject of the formula. So that makes 96, and then 120 comes to the left answer, becomes minus 120 equals to a. So 96 minus 120, that will be minus 24 equals to a. So whatever one that you choose to find the value of a, you will definitely get minus 24. And for the reason of confirmation, let us take the fourth term. Since the fourth term says that, the fifth term, let's take the fifth term. The fifth term says is 24. So let's take it to confirm if I will still have the same value of a, so that you'll be sure that whatever one you choose, you are good to go. So let's take the fifth term, which says is 24. So the fifth term, supposing I pick the fifth term, so which I know to be a plus 4d, right? So it's already 24. So we are saying 24 is equal to a plus 4d, and I already have the common difference to be 12. So that's so that 24 is equal to a plus a plus the 4 multiplied by, that is 12, the common difference. So 24 is equal to a plus 4 times 12 is 48. So to make a the subject of the formula, 24 minus 48 is equals to a. So subtract 24 from 48, we'll be left with 24. And since we are subtracting bigger number from smaller number, we have negative minus 24 is equals to a. So you can say that whatever one we choose, we still have the same value for a. So the a is equals to minus 24, which we know as our first term. So that is the final answer to that question. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Take your time to watch again and get every single steps cleared in your memory. Bye bye. See you in the next video.